What if I told you there's a food, a single seed, that could nourish your body and mind like no other? A food revered by ancient civilizations, yet surprisingly relevant in our modern world. This isn't a myth, my friends, but the remarkable reality of quinoa. Often mistaken for a grain, quinoa is actually a seed, a pseudo-cereal to be precise. But labels aside, its nutritional power is undeniable. Join me as we explore the fascinating history, surprising versatility, and undeniable health benefits of this ancient superfood. Get ready to embrace the power of quinoa. Our journey begins high in the majestic Andes Mountains of South America, where the air is thin and the peaks touch the sky. This is the birthplace of quinoa, a crop that has been cultivated for over 7,000 years. The Incas, with their deep understanding of the land, recognized the life-sustaining properties of this resilient grain. They called it Chisaya Mama, meaning mother grain, and rightfully so. Quinoa thrived where other crops struggled, providing essential sustenance in the harshest of environments, from the high altitudes to the arid plains. Quinoa wasn't just a source of food, it was considered sacred. Each year, the Incan emperors would ceremoniously sow the first seeds using golden tools, a testament to its immense value and significance in their culture. This ritual underscored the deep respect and reverence they held for this remarkable crop. However, with the arrival of the Spanish conquistadors came a dark and tumultuous period. Quinoa, seen as a threat to the European wheat and associated with pagan rituals, was actively suppressed. Its cultivation dwindled and the knowledge of its benefits was nearly lost to history. But like all resilient things, quinoa persevered through the centuries. Rediscovered in the 20th century, its exceptional nutritional value and versatility sparked a global resurgence. Scientists and nutritionists began to recognize its potential, leading to a renewed interest and appreciation. Today, this once-lost crop of the Incas graces dining tables worldwide, celebrated in diverse cuisines and enjoyed by people from all walks of life. It stands as a testament to its enduring power and the timeless wisdom of the ancient Incan civilization. So what makes quinoa so special? Why has it become a staple in health-conscious kitchens around the world? Let's delve into its nutritional treasure chest and uncover the secrets behind its superfood status. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This makes it an invaluable addition to any diet. This is a rarity in the plant world, making quinoa a champion for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone seeking a plant-based protein boost. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. But quinoa's generosity doesn't stop there. Its benefits extend far beyond just protein. It's a fiber powerhouse, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling fuller for longer. This can help with weight management and overall digestive health. It's naturally gluten-free, a boon for those with sensitivities or celiac disease. This makes it a safe and nutritious option for many. And as if that weren't enough, it boasts an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, from iron and magnesium to manganese and folate. These nutrients support various bodily functions and contribute to overall well-being. Eating quinoa isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about nourishing your body from the inside out. It's a small seed with a big impact on your health. Let's talk protein, the building block of life. We know quinoa packs a punch, but how does it stack up against other plant-based sources? Well, it holds its own remarkably well. A cup of cooked quinoa delivers around 8 grams of protein, surpassing rice and even rivaling some legumes. But it's the quality, not just the quantity, that matters. Quinoa's complete protein profile, rich in lysine and methionine, often lacking in other grains, makes it a superior choice for muscle building, cell repair, and overall health. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or simply striving for a balanced diet, quinoa provides the protein your body craves. Section 5. Delicious duets, pairing quinoa with vegan protein all-stars. Now let's get practical. How can you incorporate quinoa into your daily life? One delicious strategy is to pair it with other vegan protein sources, creating culinary symphonies that are both nutritious and satisfying. Imagine a colorful salad with fluffy quinoa, creamy avocado, and crunchy chickpeas, drizzled with a zesty lemon tahini dressing. Or a hearty stew with black beans, sweet potatoes, and quinoa simmered in a smoky chipotle broth. The possibilities are endless. By combining quinoa with other plant-based powerhouses, You're not just creating delicious meals, you're building a nutritional fortress one bite at a time. Section 6. Quinoa in your kitchen. A world of flavor awaits. Quinoa, a superfood that has taken the culinary world by storm, is more than just a health trend. Quinoa is incredibly versatile, adapting to sweet and savory dishes with equal grace. From breakfast to dinner, it can be the star of any meal. Its subtly nutty flavor and satisfying texture make it a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, quinoa offers endless possibilities. Use it as a base for breakfast porridge, topped with fresh fruit and a drizzle of maple syrup. This wholesome start to your day is both nutritious and delicious. Transform it into a light and fluffy salad, bursting with seasonal vegetables and herbs. Perfect for a refreshing lunch or a side dish at dinner. Or turn it into a comforting dinner bowl, layered with roasted vegetables, protein of your choice, and a flavorful sauce. This hearty meal is sure to satisfy. The key is to experiment, to let your taste buds guide you. Try different spices, herbs, and ingredients to create your own unique dishes. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Quinoa's adaptability makes it a perfect ingredient for culinary exploration. Enjoy the journey of discovering new flavors and textures. Section 7. Resources. Delve deeper into the world of quinoa. Eager to embark on your own quinoa adventure? Wonderful. There's a wealth of information available online and in cookbooks. Here are a few resources to get you started. The Whole Grains Council, Minimalist Baker, and Cookie and Kate. These resources offer a treasure trove of information, tips, and recipes to inspire your culinary journey. Section 8. A final word. Embrace the power of quinoa. As we conclude our exploration of quinoa, one thing is clear. This ancient seed is more than just a trendy food. It's a nutritional powerhouse with a rich history and a bright future. By embracing quinoa, we're not just nourishing our bodies. We're connecting with a legacy of sustainable farming and honoring the wisdom of ancient civilizations. So I urge you, dear viewer, to explore the world of quinoa. Experiment with its versatility, savor its nutty flavor, and most importantly, experience the transformative power of this ancient superfood. Your body will thank you.